So right here in the middle, we're going to be doing lettuce. Right now I have two types of lettuce that I'm going to be doing in here. I'm going to be adding a couple more tomorrow, but I just want to start off so that way you guys can go ahead and see how this is going to go. We're actually going to do high density because I'm growing it not for the heads, I'm growing it for the leaves. I want more crops so that I can actually, my family and I can have more to eat off of. So I'm going to show you how this is going to go. The plants essentially are going to grow upwards so that you can cut the leaf in a cut and come again method so that it keeps growing throughout the season. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually plant them a lot closer together than what you would traditionally do. So here, I want about 18 to 24 inches. This should be more than enough space, so I'm just going to create a little trench here. And this is where my seeds are going to go. Now remember, you don't need to go too deep for lettuce. And that should actually suffice. So we'll start with the bib lettuce here. So I want a fair amount of seeds. And what you're going to do is you're just going to pinch a couple in, and you're just going to kind of move your fingers around, get as many in there. And it doesn't matter, it could be a lot. We want a lot. That's what high density gardening is all about. It's about using the most of your space. And so really this is all we're doing. Should have been going down the line, but I missed a spot, so went back to it. And feel free to fill in the gaps as you spot them. And now they'll eventually kind of weed themselves out. The ones that aren't getting sufficient light, get overcrowded by the other ones, they'll just end up weeding themselves out. It's really not that much of an issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching Mundo's Garden. Be sure to hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe, tell all your friends about it. Helps out a lot. Thanks, guys, for the support, and keep tuning in. We'll see you next time.